So the other slow cooker dish that I'm going to make, so this is going to be in a separate slow cooker. I'm going to make slow cooker rice pudding. Now he who thinks he must be obeyed loves rice pudding. So it's one of those things that takes forever if you're standing over a pot, because you've got to keep stirring the stupid thing, make sure it doesn't stick and burn, and nothing worse than... Rice pudding's good if it gets that brown crust. The black crust is disgusting. That means burnt, yeah? All right, so we need... They say pudding rice in this recipe, and to me pudding rice is medium grain. So there really is a difference between medium grain and long grain. This really is for pudding. I don't know. Yeah, okay, I'll stop babbling. All right, so we need 250 grams. Whee! There we go. This is the insert for my slow cooker. I'm using the Instapot as a slow cooker today. So, this is really, really difficult, this recipe. Pay attention. Yes, I am being sarcastic. Okay, now 3 tablespoons of sugar. And you really do need to have sugar in rice pudding. Not nice without it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And then, how much did we say a pint was again? Yes, okay. So we need 2 pints of milk, which is a litre. Now I could have a problem here, because I didn't realise how much milk was going to be used in the mac and cheese. Okay, so we sorted out the milk situation. We have our rice in there. We have our 2 pints of milk, which is 1 litre. And the secret ingredient, so secret I hid it, is cream. Now they say double cream, I've used thickened cream, and it's half this container, so there we go.
So is that 500 ml?
300, because it's supposed to be a tub, which is 250.
Uh-huh.
Okay, bit of dash for extra, for luck.
Creme.
Creme. So, you've got to stir this every hour. So I'll just give it a stir to start with, just so the rice is all coated with cream and milk and all that good stuff. And then, sorry, so if you have a look, I've just made sure that all the rice is coated. Yeah? And then we will pop it on the slow cooker, and every hour I'll give it a whirl. And then we serve it with, he said nutmeg, I said cinnamon. So we can each have our own preference. You can try it with either or, both.
That's it.
All right, going on, fingers crossed. Cooking time. We will minus it. We'll do it for 4 hours, and then we hit start. There we go. And now we put the lid on. Otherwise all the liquid escapes and we will have just a crust. There we go. So I will set a timer so that it is stirred every hour. Rice pudding. So I don't know. I've never made my own rice pudding. So hopefully this is what it's supposed to be like. Oh, it smells yum.
You can taste, you're the cook. Is the rice cooked through?
Oh God, yeah. This doesn't taste like nothing. We used to have dessert as kids. Rice pudding out of a can.
That's right.
You remember that?
Oh, very much.
Parsons, it was called.
And you could get it in banana flavour and chocolate flavour.
We only ever had plain.
Oh, okay.
And this is lemon. I added the rind of a lemon to it. This is actually nice.
This is actually nice.
I'll put some raspberries with it. Just bought them today. All right, now do you want a splash of cream with it? Do you want...
No, I'm gonna try it bareback.
That sounds wrong. Keep your clothes on while you're eating it. All right, hang on. Now, before you taste that, how was the mac and cheese?
Oh, love it.
Yeah?
But I love mac and cheese.
Yeah, so, but it was a good version, wasn't it?
Oh, yes. A bit of lemon there. That's better than expected.
Really?
Honestly, that lemon made it.
Yeah.
That really made it.
But I think it would also have tasted good with good quality vanilla.
Oh, yeah.
But the lemon is good, isn't it? And then you have it with raspberries, because lemon and raspberry is just classic. So 2 slow cooker successes today. Hang on, you got a bit of leaf on your raspberry. 2 slow cooker successes today.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I could have me some more of that.
Just as well. I know where there is some more.
And you're right. A splash of cream on there would be excellent.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that is good. Now, how does that go? Reheat it tomorrow.
We'll find out.
Okay.
I think if we heat it up with a tiny bit of cream or a tiny bit of milk or a little bit of both, it will heat up beautifully.
Oh, I like that.
Good.
I hope you guys liked it too. And if you did, thumbs up, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.